With this question, we need to embrace a challenge as an opportunity to showcase your growth, knowing that trying answering this on your own brings you closer to mastery. I believe in your preparation and readiness, so let's your persistence to guide you through. You're presented with the Octagon. It has 7 numbers and the 8th number is missing. The numbers are 29, 37, 48, 85, 81, 49, 64, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 17, choice B, 19, choice C, 23, and last but not least, choice D, 25. Well, guess what? I've taken the test too, so I know how it feels when a tough question makes you doubt yourself. Let me give you a hint to help you succeed. I started with the number 29 and then went around the circle, showing you numbers 29, 37, and etc. What if, and just hypothetically, what if this is not the way to do the calculations? What if hypothetically, again, only hypothetically, the calculations are done on the opposite sides? Maybe the number from the left at 8 o'clock calculates the number on the right at 2 o'clock. I think you've got it now, and the rest is for you to figure out, my friend, or maybe a future subscriber. And while you're thinking about it, please leave your thoughts and ideas and comments to share your perspective, as well as to help us improve the videos, to help you learn new skills and solve any challenge in life. Are you prepared to share your answer? One thing you don't need to worry, even if you didn't get it right, as you might be surprised on how simple the solution actually is. In fact, the pattern here is that starting at 8 o'clock position, the numbers on the opposite sides of the octagon are the squares of the second digit of the number directly across from them. Let's look at the example to better understand it. We started with the number 29 at 8 o'clock. Second digit in 29 is 9. 9 squared is 81, and 81 is exactly the number at 2 o'clock. Let's continue around the clock to verify the pattern. The second digit in 37 is 7. 7 squared is 49. Second digit in 48 is 8. 8 squared is 64. And now is the magic time to calculate the missing number. The second digit of 85 is 5, and 5 squared is 25. So the correct answer here is choice D, 25. The best way to solve this question is to think of it as a treasure hunt, and each number on the screen is a clue leading you to ultimate prize, your success. With that in mind, grab your map and compass, because you're about to uncover the hidden gems of your knowledge. You're presented with 3 circles. Each circle has 3 numbers inside. The first circle has numbers 12, 16, and 14. The second circle has numbers 13, 15, and 14 again. And then the third circle only has 2 numbers, 17 and 21. And your goal is to calculate the missing number. Your choices for the answers are choice A, 14, choice B, 15, choice C, 17, and choice D, 19. Seems confusing, right? Well, I've taken the test too, so I know how it feels when a tough question makes you doubt yourself. Let me give you a hint to help you succeed. Take a close look at the circle 3. You have missing number in the bottom right corner. What if, and just hypothetically, what if 2 other numbers are used to calculate the missing number? And what if very simple math operation is used for the calculations? Or maybe 2 very simple math calculations are used. I think you've got it now, and the rest is for you to figure out, my friend. Or maybe a future subscriber as well. While you're thinking about it, please leave your thoughts and ideas and comments to share your perspective, as well as to help us improve the videos. This will help us to build something very valuable and enjoyable for you in the future to help you learn new skills and solve any challenges in life. Are you prepared to share your answer? Don't worry if you don't have it or didn't get it right, as you might be surprised on how simple and elegant the solution actually is. The pattern here is that the bottom right number is found by adding the bottom left number and the top number, and then dividing the sum by 2. Let's look at the example. In the first circle, the numbers are 12, 16, and 14. 12 plus 16 divided by 2 equals 28 divided by 2 and equals 14. Let's continue with the second circle. 13 plus 15 equals 28 as well, and divided by 2 also equals 14. I hope you didn't select 14 as an answer, and it was so tempting. Now is the magic time to calculate the missing number. 17 plus 21 divided by 2 equals 19. So the correct answer here is choice D, 19. Famous American philosopher Thomas Paine once observed, "The greatest minds often think in ways that others do not dare to consider." In our pursuit of the solution to this question, let's dare to think differently, pushing our boundaries of conventional thought to explore new possibilities and solve this question. You're presented with 4 shapes. Each shape has a number associated with this. The numbers are 9, 16, 25, and then the 4th shape has the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 36, choice B, 49, choice C, 64, and last but not least, choice D, 81. Are you starting to doubt yourself? Well, it's perfectly natural to face challenges during the testing process. Remember that every problem has a solution. With your creativity and determination, I'm confident we'll find it. Let's work through this together as a team. Are you prepared to share your answer? Let's move ahead and see what you've got. And you might be surprised by how simple the solution actually is. To calculate the associated number, you need to determine the number of sides in the shape and square the resulting number to get to the actual number underneath the shape. The first shape is triangle. It has 3 sides, 1, 2, and 3. 3 squared equals 9. Second shape is a square, which has 4 sides. 4 squared equals 16. Third shape is a pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. 5 squared equals 25. The fourth shape has 7 sides, and the shape with 7 sides is called heptagon. And now is the time to calculate the magic number. 7 squared equals 49. So the correct answer here is choice B, 49. Isaac Newton believed that true science of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. As we face complex problems today, let's channel Newton's spirit by thinking creatively and allowing our imagination to lead us to the breakthrough in this question. You're presented with 3 phenomenally cool-looking shapes. Each shape consists of 5 squares organized together, and each square has a number inside. The first shape has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see the pattern? Or maybe not. The second shape has numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. The pattern breaks a little bit, but I'm pretty sure you've got it. And then comes the third shape, which has numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 11, choice B, 12, choice C, 13, and last but not least, choice D, 14. Are you beginning to second guess yourself? It's okay. Facing challenges is a normal part of testing process. Just keep in mind that every problem has a solution. With your creativity and perseverance, I'm certain we'll find it. Let's tackle this question together as a team. Are you prepared to share your answer? Let's move forward to see what unfolds. You may be surprised by how simple the solution actually is. In fact, the pattern here is that the difference between the products of diagonal numbers starting at 8 o'clock gives you the middle number. Let's look at the example. 4 multiplied by 2 in parentheses minus 3 multiplied by 1 equals 5. You see how sometimes test designers can try to trick you. You see the pattern here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But it is actually not a sequence. Let's look at the second shape to better understand it. 5 multiplied by 3 in parentheses minus 2 multiplied by 4 equals 7. And now is the magic time to calculate the missing number. 8 multiplied by 6 in parentheses minus 5 multiplied by 7 in parentheses equals 13. So the correct answer here is choice C, 13. Admit it or not, but genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. And this is not my quote, this is famously remarked by Thomas Edison. So let's put in the hard work and dedication required to excel in this assessment, knowing that consistent effort leads to greatness. You're presented with 3 shapes. Each shape has smiley face, arrow, and then hexagon. The 4th shape is missing. You need to determine which one to select, and select the 4th shape out of 4 possible choices. Choices A, B, C, and D. This question may seem daunting at first, but I know you have the skills and creativity to tackle it. Trust your abilities and let's explore all the possible solutions together. Let's tackle it as a team. Are you prepared to showcase your response? Let's move forward and see where it leads us. And if uncertainty lingers, stay motivated. Every effort made, whether successful or not, brings valuable insights and opportunities for improvement. The way to solve these types of problems is to look at 3 original shapes and determine the pattern. The pattern exists for every shape inside the matrix. For example, if you look closely, you will see that arrow rotates counterclockwise. This is probably the easiest pattern to determine. But hey, there are 2 other patterns because there are 2 other shapes. For example, smiley face moves from corner to corner clockwise. And then hexagon rotates alongside the edges counterclockwise and also changes the fill from gray to white. With that in mind, let's determine the final shape. Based on our logic, the arrow should be pointing at 6 o'clock. The hexagon should have white fill and should be in the upper right corner. And smiley face should be on the opposite side of hexagon in the bottom left corner. So the correct answer here is choice A. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.